Hey everybody, it's Brian Leigh from BT Lee's Sauces and Rubs here. You may also know me as a contestant on the Great American Recipe Season 1. And while I've been voted off that island, I'm still going to cook with the contestants that are remaining. This week's challenge revolves around special occasion recipes. And there is no more special occasion in my life than our surprise barbecue wedding. We touched on it last week with the macaroni and cheese, wah, wah. But this week we're doing the Brussels sprout salad that was a star at that wedding. So it's got cranberries, it's got bacon, Parmesan cheese, pecans, heavy citrus notes in the form of lemon and orange. Man, it is a definite bite, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. So the Brussels sprout salad's been chilling for at least 2 hours, ideally the night before, and it looks a little something like this. There she is. This is our Brussels sprout salad. So you've got all of these complementary flavors. It's a little bit of umami, a little bit of tangy. There's some nutty flavors in there. You got that Brussels sprout goodness, and you get these little hints of sweet from the cranberries. Be sure to grab your fork and don't forget to take a big bite. Bright, citrusy, sweet, nutty. It's got it all. This is going to be a favorite at your next barbecue, your next family get together, or anytime you just want to lighten up the fare a little bit. I say lighten up, but there's bacon in here and Parmesan cheese. You can't go wrong with it. So let me know what you think. Let me know how I would have done if I was still on the show. Comment below. Cheers.